So by the end of the whole program, not only do you feel totally capable of being a coach and coaching people successfully, but you also feel like you released so much baggage and so many limiting beliefs that were holding you back. Hi, my name is Lucia and I'm a mindset coach and marketing consultant for course creators. And in this video, I want to share my honest review and my own experience going through the Yes Apply Method certification. Stick to the end if you want to learn more about the bonus that you could get if you join through my own affiliate link. But don't worry, it's not going to cost you anything extra, but I may receive a commission if you use my affiliate link, which will allow me to continue supporting other people and continue creating free resources for everybody to use. The Yes Apply Method certification is a powerful life coaching system, and it combines science-backed techniques with spiritual laws and manifestation to create this beautiful and powerful system. If you join the Yes Apply Method certification program, you get certified in 5 different modalities: mindset coaching, Energetic Wiring Practitioner, Energetic Encoding Practitioner, EFT practitioner, and clinical hypnotherapy practitioner. So these are all 5 very powerful modalities that you get certified on, and trust me, these will change your and your clients' lives. I joined the Yes Apply Method certification in December of 2022. So I have been working at a company that I just loved so freaking much for a few years at that point, when the owner decided to just close the company and I found myself without a job. And at first I was disappointed, but I thought I would take this opportunity to continue doing what I was doing, but instead of doing it for a company, I would do it for clients. But when the time came to actually do that, I was overcome with fears and feelings of not being good enough and limiting beliefs and feeling like I was an imposter, you know the drill. And what happened was that I just wouldn't show up online. All of these blocks were keeping me stuck and unable to really take that action that I needed to grow my business. And it got to a point where I just knew that I needed to make a change, or else I would just lose everything, because I was not making any money at that point. But I didn't have the financial means to invest in any new programs or any coaches, but I knew I had to make a shift. So that's when I found an incredible mindset coach and I bartered with her. So we exchanged services and she supported me with around roughly 12 weeks of mindset coaching. And throughout these 12 weeks, we went through very powerful mindset techniques that allowed me to release all of these fears, all of these limiting beliefs, and helped me show up in a more confident, empowered way, as well as helping me take the aligned action that I needed to build my business. And it really created a big shift in me, and I'm forever grateful to this person. When we finally ended those 12 weeks and we stopped working together, I was offered an incredible opportunity working for another course-based business. And this time I was in a position where not only was I able to see this opportunity and actually accept it and not reject it because I was feeling like an imposter or that I wasn't good enough. I actually took this opportunity and it allowed me to reach a more stable place in my life. But I kept thinking about how powerful this shift in me was, and I wanted to do the same for others. I wanted to learn more about the subconscious mind and how reprogramming our mind works, and just seeing if I could find a way to empower myself more and do the same for others, like friends, family, and eventually clients as well. When December 2022 came around, I wasn't really thinking about joining the Yes Apply Method certification, but I was following Reese for a few years now, and I really loved everything that she was teaching and how applicable everything was and how she made everything seem so simple yet so powerful. And at that point, they were offering one of their one of their workshops called Year of Yes, and I decided to sign up for that, to plan my year and to see if I could manifest all of my goals come 2023. And during this workshop, it was just so powerful. It was just so powerful that I had this huge breakthrough where I realized that I couldn't expect anybody else to say yes to me if I didn't say yes to me first. I had to be the first to say yes before anybody else would do it. And that's why I decided to join the Yes Applied Method certification. I wanted to be able not just to use these techniques on myself and those around me, but eventually I would love to change people's lives the way this other coach had changed mine. And I knew that if I wanted to make all of these big hairy goals that I had set in Year of Yes, I needed to have the mindset tools to be able to reprogram my subconscious mind, to be able to not just achieve them, but accept them. Because you can take action towards a goal, but if you deep down don't believe that you deserve it, you're going to self-sabotage and you're not going to allow yourself to receive it. So I wanted to make sure that I had the right tools in my toolbox to be able to change my beliefs, my thoughts, and my actions so that I could make my goals happen. The program itself was absolutely incredible. So when you first join, you get access to the embodiment phase, and there are 4 phases in total. So there's the embodiment phase, there's the integration phase, the transformation phase, and then the amplification phase. The first section that you have access to before all of the live training mastery calls start, and it just is all about becoming the mindset coach that you can be and going through the 5-step manifestation process. And then in the integration phase, it's mainly about learning NLP and powerful questioning and somatic techniques and just preparing yourself before and after the coaching session. So it has a lot of information that it's very valuable and prepares you to actually lead your coaching calls. Then the transformation phase is so packed with valuable techniques and lessons, and it goes deep into techniques like swish, single belief change, neuroenergetic encoding, which is just so transformational, seriously, hypnotherapy, and EFT tapping. So the transformational phase is just like, whoa. It's packed full of incredible techniques that you're going to be using every single day. And then you have the amplification phase with more steps after you graduate the program. So the actual content is just amazing. You have a lot of videos where Reese is teaching you the technique and showing you how to implement it, and you have a lot of demos as well so that you see the technique implemented in real time between the coaches. And then what you do is after you go through each couple of lessons, then you have a live training mastery call where you get to show up, you get to review the lesson, and then you are paired with somebody, another student in your cohort, to practice the technique with. So not only are you getting a lot of practice and making sure that you really know how to execute the technique, but you also get coached every single week. So by the end of the whole program, not only do you feel totally capable of being a coach and coaching people successfully, but you also feel like you released so much baggage and so many limiting beliefs that were holding you back, because every single week you get somebody else practicing the coaching techniques on you. So you get free coaching basically. And I think that was super powerful for me as well. I feel like the person that came into the program was so different from the person that came out, and not just on the things that I learned, but the things that I was able to release and the beliefs I was able to reprogram thanks to being a coach and a coachee basically. So I highly recommend that in that regard as well. It was super powerful. Another thing that I loved about the training mastery calls is just how accountable you stay to the program. I'm one of those people that just buys a course and goes through it and then never implements it. And I was afraid that this would happen as well with the Yes Applied Method certification, but they have systems in place to make sure that doesn't happen. And when you join a cohort that meets weekly or every few weeks, depending on the frequency that you choose, you have that accountability, because you have to go through the content in the course and show up to the training mastery call and practice. So they ensure that you stay accountable, that you follow through, you go through the content, you practice the technique, and then you graduate. So if you join this certification program, you're not going to be on your own. You have so much accountability, and you also make a lot of connections with other people, other students in the program. I have made friends in the program that I still talk with to this day, and I actually meet with this other student in the program every single week. So I highly recommend it, and I think if you're the kind of person that just goes through the content and then never implements, you're going to be sure that you're going to follow through, take action, and graduate without just being another program that you buy and then just gathers dust. As for me, after taking this program and graduating and getting everything, I was able to, first of all, continue using the techniques on myself and make sure that I continued showing up online with confidence by using the techniques on myself. But also I was able to create a course called Aligned and Confident that includes many beautiful mindset techniques to help course creators release all of those fears, all of those limiting beliefs that keep them stuck the way they kept me stuck. And it also helps them reprogram their subconscious mind so that they show up with confidence to create and launch their own course. And I honestly feel so proud of this program, and it's still in the creation phase. I already have people going through it, waiting for their testimonial and reviews, but I just know how powerful and how transformational it is, and how much it's going to help people as well. So the Yes Apply Method certification is going to be the right fit for you if you want to learn more about the subconscious mind, how it works, how to reprogram it with science-backed techniques, how to learn more about the universal laws and manifestation, because it has a whole section about the 5-step manifestation method, which is perfect. It's also the right fit for you if you want to become a mindset coach that has a lot of powerful techniques to implement with clients and help them get their own incredible transformations. If you want to also learn how to use the techniques on yourself so that your mindset is always in peak state. It's also the right fit for you if you're the kind of person that thrives with accountability and being in a group of people that are going through the same process together and that really get you and what you're trying to do. It's also the right fit for you if you want to do all of these while making sure that you follow through, that you get in the practice that you need, that you get the support that you need, because you're going to be fully covered. Again, the training calls are going to force you to show up, to practice the techniques, and to just make sure that this doesn't end up being one of those programs you take and then ignore for years. You are going to follow through, you're going to get support, you're going to get incredible mindset transformations of your own when other people practice on you. It's just going to be such an incredible experience. If you think the Yes Apply Method certification is the right fit for you, then look at the description for my own affiliate link so that you can, if you want to, if not, no worries. But if you do and you buy using my link, then I will give you a 90-minute breakthrough coaching session, and it can be about mindset. We can work through any of your mindset blocks, or we can just work on any marketing things that you need. As I said, I'm a marketing consultant, so I can help you with any marketing, course creation, course launching questions you have, and it's going to be really helpful for you as well. So again, check out the description for the link to join, and also I'm going to leave a few resources below as well from Yes Apply in case you want to learn more before committing. I also have a written blog post, so if you want to learn more about what's included in each of the sections of the program, then be sure to find that blog post for more details on that. Don't forget to also click the like and subscribe, and be sure to share this video with anyone you know that may be considering joining a mindset coaching certification program. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.